Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have our new instant savings. And these instant savings are going through October 9th, and these have quickly become some of my favorite deals in the sense of there are some hidden gems in here. There's some hidden gems, and then also these stack with deals that are going on throughout the month. So these will go through the 9th, and the deals that come out through October 9th will stack with these. So these will be referenced going through the next month for stackable items, and those are the best. Anyways, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing, and let's go through them. First, we have Storehouse 11-inch cable ties, 100 pack, your choice of color, black or white. Don't discriminate, I guess. 47% off, $1.94, normally $3.68. Are these some of the free ones? I don't think they are. I think the 8-inch ones are. But $1.94, 47% off. Not too bad. We have 5-gallon fuels, your choice of gasoline or diesel. Also don't discriminate, 9% off. $19.99, normally $22. Hercules Alert, 3 amp, 5-inch random orbit palm sander with soft start. $45, 18% off. $44.99, normally $55, so about $10 off there. Then we have the 2-ton compact trolley jack, $35 at 30% off, normally $50. So this is an excellent deal for, we're gonna do a little bit of a deep dive. If all you're looking for is something that's better than the jack that you have in your car, or you don't have a jack in your car, $35, normally $50. Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley, lift from 5 3/8 inch to 12 3/4 inch, lifts 2 tons, 4,000 pounds, twist valve release. This is very nice, especially for those quick jobs, maybe is what you're looking for. Easy carry handle. Let's look at the specs. 12 3/8 inch max height, 2-ton capacity, handle length is 16 inches. Lift height minimum is 5 3/8 inch, which is pretty decent, and it only weighs 20 pounds. I mean, flash sale today. Who got the flash sale? $75 is also a great deal. But here we go, $35 will not break the bank for a nice 2-ton compact trolley jack. We continue. Fortress 6-gallon, 175 psi, high performance, oil-free pancake job site air compressor. Now, during compressor days, this would also have stacked. Technically, I know what time they closed today, but it would have stacked if you got this during the compressor days. $150 would have stacked with the 15 or 10% off. Earthquake XT, 1/2-inch super compact air impact wrench. This also would have stacked with the air tools. $10 off, so you would save an extra 25% off when getting this specific tool. And that's what the instant savings are for. Next, Braun 750 lumen LED portable work light with rotating handle stand, $14, 6% off. Next, Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 1/2-inch drive impact deep socket set, 13-piece, 12% off is okay. Your choice of SAE or metric, but if, and this is a big if, I haven't heard any confirmation, if the socket sale, if the parking lot sale is extended, this is a perfect candidate. It's already 12% off, and then you'd get an extra 40% off of these sockets. So again, stacking is where it's at. Then we have Braun 750 lumen rechargeable ultra compact magnetic LED floodlight, available in 4 colors. $24, 20% off. That's pretty decent. If you're going in and you need some lights, if you're in the market for this one, 20% off is really, really good. US General Alert, magnetic glove tissue dispenser. We all need one of these. $13, 8 colors available, 13% off. Then we have the 14-ounce brake lean non-chlorinated brake parts cleaner for $5, 33% off. Really good deal there. Merlin's premium air compressor accessory kit, 20 pieces for $18, 28% off. Again, these instant savings are nothing to be ignored. Then we have the 8-foot by 10-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp, $10.99, 15% off. US General Alert, 25-pound capacity magnetic hook, available in 8 colors, 37% off. And this tends to be close to the good sale. This is a good price for it. $5, normally $8, 37% off. Good, get here. Then we have an icon alert in instant savings. What is going on? Icon alert, 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight, $45, 18% off. We continue. We have Warriors 4.5 inch by 7/8 inch Type 27 flap disc with fiberglass backing and aluminum oxide grain. Available in 60, 80, and 120 grit. $3, 40% off. We have Vanguard's 100 foot by 16 and 3 gauge indoor outdoor extension cord, $25, 16% off. And some Storehouse 20 bin medium portable parts storage case for $7, 30% off. Good discount there. And we keep going. Voyager 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets, 30% off, $7, normally $10. And then we have this Warrior security bit set with case, 100 piece, $9, only 10% off. And we also have Warrior 12 volt cordless 3/8 inch drill kit with battery and charger for $15. What? That's crazy. 25% off, normally $20. Then we have the 11 foot, 4 inch by 11 foot, 6 inch all purpose weather resistant tarp for $8, 20% off. And Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit, 9 piece, $5, 28% off. If you do your own tire fixes, this is the way to go. Quick and easy repair kit. Well, I won't say easy, but quick repair kit. Something to have just in case of emergency. $5, normally $7. Then we have Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty raised panel combination wrench set, 14 piece, your choice of SAE or metric, $20, normally $25. That's 20% off. Then we have the Pittsburgh universal joint socket adapter set, 3 piece for $6.26, 37% off, normally $9.99. Big discount there. The Pro Sensor M10 stud finder. Make sure you try it on yourself first, and hopefully it beeps at $12, 20% off, normally $15. The Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with steel hub for $8, 20% off. Then we have the Merlin 3/8 inch by 25 foot rubber air hose for $12, 20% off. Hardy's high vis polyurethane coated work gloves, $2, 20% off, normally $2.50. Then we have the 10-inch steel tent stakes 6-pack for $4, normally $5, 20% off. The Greenwood 2-way Y hose connector, $5, 28% off, normally $7. And the Centex 6 and 12 volt circuit tester with 5-foot lead for $2.79, 34% off, normally $4.29. Steal of a deal there. Pittsburgh 6-inch quick release bar clamp for $2.69, 22% off. We have Chicago Electric's 30-watt lightweight soldering iron, $5, 16% off there. The 3-inch rubber light-duty swivel caster with brake for $5, 16% off, normally $6. US General Alert 6-inch magnetic parts holder for $4, 20% off. That's a must get if you don't have one already. And we have the Storehouse V-shape hang-all for $1.74, 30% off. The original Stick Tech 60-yard by 0.94 inch painter's tape for $4, 20% off. Bauer kind of alert 2.2 amp orbital quarter sheet sander for $20, 20% off. And the instant savings keep going. The Warrior 1.1 amp corner detail sander, $14.99, normally $20, 25% off. Oil filter pliers. Everybody needs one of these just in case. Sometimes you can't get that oil filter off, and this thing will grip it and you'll be able to get it. $5, normally $8.29, 39% off. Great deal. Then we have Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty 24-inch I-beam level for $5, 37% off. What a steal. Some Hardy cowhide ball and tape adjustable wrist gloves, large and extra large for $6.99, 22% off. Central Machinery 3/8 inch to 2-inch ratcheting pipe threader set, 10 piece, $60, normally $90, 33% off. That looks like a nice tool, and that is a great discount. Western Safety earmuffs, $2.99, 25% off. Hercules Alert, someone mentioned it. I'm going with it. Hercules Alert, 7 amp variable speed compact trim router, $90, normally $100, but it's $10 off, 10%. Then we have Pittsburgh's 4-in-1 aluminum rafter angle square for $2, normally $3, so 33% off. More Pittsburgh 2.5 inch spring clamp for 99 cents, 44% off. Something to just pick up and put in the cart if you need some clamps. Then we have the magnesium fire starter for $1.49, 11% off. The Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamp, 99 cents. Spring clamp non-steel versus the Yes steel. I guess it's all the same. 23% off for those. And then, what a deal. What an instant savings deal to end it with. The Badland winching gloves, available in large and extra large, 40% off at $14.99. Only 25 bucks. So 15 bucks, 40% off. Excellent deal. I'm pumped about these instant savings, and I'm pumped to see if there's any deals that'll stack with these in the next month and a half. Anything here that you like? Who got the flash sales $75 aluminum jack? Whose wallets are still hurting? Anyways, good luck out there. Happy shopping. Happy Harbor freighting. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.